Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade your MacBook's operating system to Sequoia. If you have an M1 or later MacBook, this will allow you to use Apple Intelligence. To do this upgrade, it's advisable to have the power cable connected to your MacBook, and you'll need access to the internet to download the new operating system. So with that said, let's get started. What we'll do first is check which operating system is currently installed. Go to the Apple logo, then About This Mac. Here you can see I have Sonoma. We'll close this, and now we'll go back to the Apple and System Settings. On the left hand side we have General, and over on the right we have Software Update. Just here we have macOS, Sequoia 15.1.1, 6.73 gig in size. Let's start the upgrade. Click Agree and enter your password. It's now started the download, and depending on your download speed, it may take some time. For me, you can see this is going to be 27 minutes, so let's pause for a second. Once the download completes, it starts preparing the install. After some time, you receive a message in the top right saying restarting your computer. Your computer will restart in 25 seconds to install updates. The screen will go blank and continue the install. The install continues with about 11 minutes remaining. Once it completed, I press the key on the keyboard and I am now at the login screen. I'll enter my password. And here is a message about Apple Intelligence. We want to click Continue. Welcome to Mac. We click Continue, and here we are back at the desktop. Now, to confirm the upgrade has completed, we'll go to the Apple logo and we'll go to About This Mac, and here you can see Sequoia. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up as it helps myself and others find the video. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.